Hey, Ryan with Thanks.io. I want to share with you this solar postcard campaign that we're building. It's actually a bribe funnel campaign where we're bribing the action of a homeowner in return for an appointment. So solar's kind of a big thing right now, especially with energy costs rising and inflation. We're going to kind of play off the fact that this is in the news a lot, inflation, and tie it into our messaging. So here is the card, and you'll notice it says get a free $50 Home Depot gift card just for talking to us for 15 minutes about how much you can save by adding solar. Energy costs are about to skyrocket. So this left side here is basically joining the conversation in people's minds, right? It's an old kind of marketing trope here. I forget who said that, maybe John Cables or somebody like that. Anyway, the next part of the message here on the back side, this is a 6x9 postcard, so I have a lot extra space to write a fair amount of text. And it just says, hey, with inflation and energy prices going up, a lot more St. Pete homeowners are deciding to hedge their bets and lock in current energy pricing by installing solar. If you're willing to talk to us about how much it might cost to install solar at your house, we'll return the favor by giving you a $50 Home Depot gift card. Just text me. I've included the information of my solar guy, which is what inspired this campaign. I decided to get solar in my house. I want to show him this as an example. And then in most cases, you can get solar installed. And the PS says in most cases, you can get solar installed with no money down and end up having paying the same or less than you're paying on your electric bill right now. A little bit of a typo with you and your right there. So the QR scan will go to a booking form, maybe Calendly or something. We've also given the cell number, of course, for people who aren't so tech savvy to scan the code. And then you just continue here. Now, with Thanks.io, you can either choose a specific map, you can purchase a custom list of people in a specific demographic. If you have an existing list of solar leads, you could use that. You can send it one at a time. And then one of the things that we're working on here is the ability to kind of make a custom list, but do a staggered send. Let me explain to you what I mean by that. So if we hop into the Thanks campaigns section right here, click campaigns over on the left side, I can add a new campaign action, and I can pick down at the bottom, it says staggered daily sending. And basically what this is once a year or twice a year or 4 times a year, you set a threshold for how many times you want to send the same message. It'll go to each recipient on a mailing list. And the idea is that I can pick a list of, say, 5,000 homeowners for this solar campaign, and I can say I want them each to get this postcard twice a year, this offer twice a year, and I don't want to send it all right now because I don't want to spend a whole bunch of money right now on my sends, or I don't want to get too many leads too fast because I can't handle them. So what we're working on is a way to kind of do this gift card bribe, right? Where somebody gets a gift card in return for a visit, and then we're gonna blanket a specific area and just have the leads kind of drip in for you. And this functionality all exists right now with Thanks.io out of the box, and we're looking at automating this a little bit more in the future. And then once the person responds to the card, I almost forgot this part. Once they respond, you will then automatically be able to trigger the follow-up $50 gift card. So that would almost be a manual process. In most cases, you just come in and say, okay, yeah, I want to send the gift card. You send the thank you. Here, thank you. Hit continue. Choose Home Depot down here. Where's my Home Depot? Where you at, Home Depot? There you are. And then I choose $50. Write a quick thank you message and send it out to that homeowner. We're also working on building a way to make that process, once you get the appointment, for you to just kind of click a button and have that all trigger automatically for you. Of course, we're big on automation here, Thanks.io. But bottom line is, I just want to share with you this idea of the bribe. It's not so much about the solar messaging. The idea here is that any business owner can use a similar flow, most likely, right? Where you bribe the action and appointment in exchange for some kind of gift card. So again, here was that gift card, right? Get gift card in exchange for meeting with me. So that's about it. I might have went a little long there at the end with this messaging, but I really wanted to hammer it home that this is something any business owner can do. If you'd like to talk with us about a campaign that you can do, whether you're in solar or not, about a campaign that you can implement in a similar fashion to generate a one-on-one meeting. It could be in person at a house or over a Zoom call or a phone call, and how you could craft a campaign that then delivers the gift card maybe automatically, just reach out. It's support@thanks.io, or you can click one of the buttons you might find down below this video. Thanks a lot.